Always wanted to be an actor since I was in my mother's womb. मैं हमेशा ये लाइन बोलती हूँ, हमेशा.
Here this is Sneha, the main host of Audacious Airwaves, and there we have Madhurima Chakraborty, who we have seen playing the role of Vamps. So, would you like to describe your journey as being the Vamp of Tollywood?
Thank you, Sneha. Thank you very much for having me here today, and it really feels amazing. It's been 7-8 years, and I am in this I have been the same thing for the longest time now. And it really feels amazing to be an actor.
So, tell me something. Have you not ever thought of I'm always playing the role of a vamp, so I should try to get some other roles
No, I did. It's just that I have done negative roles more. So it has shades, So people like watching it. I love doing it. I love doing it. I absolutely love whatever I do. And that's all that matters, period.
So tell me about the reaction from your audience that you get being the vamp. When they see
a section
in
of
an
people,
event or something.
Yeah, there are a section of people, and many of them they do like it. They do love watching me in whatever I do, and there are people they don't. So उन लोगों को मैं नहीं लेती हूँ जो लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं जो I love my audience. So I exactly do the same thing whatever they say. They ask me to do.
So, do you like to get called by your character names more than being your name?
Yeah. Not more. Not that, but yeah. I love my character names, yeah.
Which was your favorite character role have you played so far?
I think Shri from Boohoo.
Okay. So, who has been your favorite co-actor?
There are many actually. Indrani Dotto, Chandri Ghosh, and then Meghna Haldar. There are many. They're beautiful people I have worked with.
And so, who has been your favorite director so far?
In Tollywood, Srijit Mukherjee.
And in Bollywood?
Anurag Masu.
So, you have lived in the industry for almost 7-8 years, as you mentioned. So, what would you tell about the term casting couch?
I can't tell you anything about it since
Have you ever been to?
No, not at all. I have not answered.
Do you think it's something that people exaggerate? And
yeah, they do. Let me just tell you that. I can, talk about it for sure. They exaggerate very much.
And do you also think that just as a woman, I'm saying, from the perspective of a woman, doing something with someone gets you work, is that really?
Never. That's not how things work. I don't really feel that.
So, would you like to describe
just a second, I'm cutting you. It's just that the people they see things about casting couch and stuff like that speaks volumes about themselves and their connections, their informations, whatever they do.
So it's kind of people like.
वो लोग भी वैसे ही होते हैं जो ये सब चीजों के बारे में उल्टा-पुल्टा.
So have you faced any obstacles while or any issues being an outsider compared to a Nepo kid?
I've never seen or experienced such comparisons, but I can say one thing. It's just that I don't think they feel the same amount of struggle that we do. So yeah,
have you ever been compared or have you ever been left out getting some project that someone got over you or something?
Not so far.
So in India we see basically women and men both, of course, go through mental health issues, sexuality, body image that has been whispered rather than being spoken out. So
no, see, I'm cutting.
Definitely.
It's just that in today's world we all do talk about it, and mental health is something I think it's very very important, and we all have been heartbroken, so we all know about it, right? So mental health, ठीक रखना बहुत अच्छा रखना बहुत important है. If you really want to be, be someone in today's world, it's much needed.
So, who is your best friend from the industry?
Nobody.
Why?
No one.
Like, we always
I'm
know
not here to make friends. To be very very honest, I'm not here to make friends. जो मुझे बहुत देर से समझ आया. Initial days में बहुत दिक्कतें आई क्योंकि I am one of those people who are like you'll ask me, you'll not ask me anything but I'll tell you everything. मैं ऐसी हूँ.
So, is it something like you don't want to make a friend or you can't make a friend?
अभी I don't want to. पहले मुझे दिक्कत होता था कि मुझे दोस्त इंडस्ट्री में दोस्त बनाना नहीं आता था. अभी मुझे बनाना ही है.
So, you don't have any friends from the industry?
No, I have well wishes. I have good connections. जिन लोगों के साथ मैं खाना खाने जाती हूँ, जिन लोगों के साथ फोन पे बात होता है, बहुत सीनियर्स है जिन लोगों के साथ जो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, जो I also love them back. But मुझे जो दोस्ती वाला मैं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ जो करती हूँ, हम हमारे दोस्तों के साथ आउट करके सेल्फीज लेना, कहीं पे घूमने चले जाना, वो इंडस्ट्री में से तो आई थिंक मुझसे नहीं होगा. मैं किसी को दोष नहीं दे रही हूँ. जो भी है फ्लॉज है, कुछ भी है, आई थिंक वो मुझे है. तो मैं अपने आप पे ले रही हूँ खुशी कोई इश्यूज नहीं है. बट मुझे बनाने नहीं है.
What do you think, like, how would you get out of any like depression or any detachment? Like, how to practice detachment, like, according to you, your point?
It's not been easy for me at all, but you know what? ये मुझे बहुत देर से समझ आया कि detachment practice करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. जैसे कि I can tell you a story. It's like I can't draw a line. मुझे एक लाइन भी ढंग से draw करना नहीं आता, but मैंने ऐसे ही detachment practice किया. मैं बहुत टाइम मैंने लिया like to draw something. Maybe it's a rose or a bird, something. But जैसे moment it's done ना, पूरा खत्म हो गया मेरा drawing. I'll just destroy it. That has worked for me. I won't recommend it to anyone कि वो भी ऐसा करे. But हाँ, practice detachment वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़्यादा.
So I have a rapid fire round for you. So would you choose fame or money?
Fame, any day.
Your guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure. See, all my life I have struggled to be thin. So I have always all my life I have just avoided sweets, like the sugar. But it's been 2 years. It's been I think 1 or 2 years, more than 1 year now. तो मुझे ना अचानक से वो पूरन पोली का बड़ा शौक चढ़ा. तो I have started eating sweets now. तो हाँ, मुझे
Love or kind?
love or good enough. That's too much needed in today's world.
So your biggest fear?
Losing my Pishi, Thama, Rani.
One
I
word.
just don't want to lose them.
One word for Bollywood.
One word. Dream.
Describe yourself in one word.
Honest.
Someone who is overrated in the industry.
I can't name her. I don't want to actually. ठीक है.
You
कोई
can
अगर
name
अच्छे से कमा रही है, कमा ले.
something that is underrated in the industry.
Something as an
It can be anything.
रील्स देख के जो आप कास्ट करते हैं वो बड़ा
Your
overrated
dream
है.
destination.
हाँ,
Dream destination.
dream destination. London.
Oh wow, same here, you know. One word that turns you off instantly.
What?
Mood off.
One
One
word.
word that turns your mood off instantly.
Fuck. Why would anybody say that?
If not an artist, what will you be?
Can you prove?
Okay. So your favorite actor? Favorite actress?
I think I really love Aditya. Actress, right? Charisma.
Karishma. Okay. Favorite song?
There are many. Like all songs of Dua Lipa, and then her from Jab Harry Met Sejal, and then Itna Main Tujhse Pyar Karu.
Favorite singer?
Favorite singer? Sonu Nigam, Mr. Zakiri. That's the love of my life. I just want to marry him.
Okay, so here we have our jewelry partner Shayani, who has got some beautiful gift made by herself for Madhurima.
Thank you so
It's
much.
a small handmade gift.
Oh,
I hope you will like
wow.
this. It's beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's
Alright. Failures and comebacks. Everyone has their own story. So we would like to know, like, have you ever been through some situation where you have almost failed, and how did you cope up? Like, how did you come back?
I think I'm the wrong person to ask because I have not gone anywhere. I'm still working touchwood. काम कर रही हूँ तो हाँ बट एक इंसान है जिनके बारे में मुझे बात करनी है अब होगी देर वो उनका जो कमबैक था ना आई थिंक वो मुझे बहुत कुछ इंस्पायरिंग था बहुत बहुत कुछ सिखाया कि कमबैक करो तो ऐसे करो.
So money matters that nobody talks about. That we really know. Like
No,
you know,
everybody does. Everybody talks about money.
No, but like you know, people know.
Necessity.
Yeah, people know actors have tons and tons of money. So like,
we do, but हाँ बस हाँ एक चीज़ है वो I think अच्छे से अगर लोग ले पाए तो मैं बता सकती हूँ उस बारे में. हम एक्टर्स जितना ना अगर हम लाखों में कमा रहे हैं ना तो वो जो यूट्यूबर्स और ब्लॉगर्स है ना वो करोड़ों में कमा रहे हैं. तो प्लीज वॉच आउट.
you mean the content creators?
Content creators. They're also doing very good.
मतलब आजकल तो like everyone is a content creator.
Everybody. And that's such a pain in the ass. Let me tell you that. मेरे घर में भी है कोई मतलब घर में तो नहीं है. I know people around me. They also do it and they're fucking serious about it. ये मत करो, वो मत करो, ये करो. मैं आ गई हूँ, घुस गई हूँ घर के अंदर नहीं फिर से जाओ मुझे को लेना है. तो
See, I have also seen and heard about like how actors also go through debts and financial traps. So, like, what would you talk about it? Like, how would you say, like, if you have
stop being so available for anyone and everyone you meet. You'll not fall for it. So,
and what about like you know like showing that I'm the richest, going for getting all these branded stuffs and every week clubbing and fancy dinners. Like, do you really
I
think
love
the way?
clubbing. I love clubbing. I do. But एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताऊँ जो सच में rich होते हैं हम बोलते हैं ना जो सच में educated होते हैं जो सच में rich होते हैं वो लोग show off नहीं करते.
So we have also seen like the young generation these days have been dating someone who are double of their age. So do you really think it's the true love, or it's just because of getting work or like fame, or they are affording their luxurious lifestyle?
अगर कर भी रहे हैं मुझे क्या? Their personal life, their personal choices.
So behind the fame, what's your loneliest or darkest past or part of being famous that no one claps for?
Am I? If I am a little, I think कोई भी darkest और कुछ भी वैसा कुछ नहीं है. लोग पता नहीं एक तो मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आता है. Like you know, at first people try like hardest मतलब कितना मुझे बस फेम पाना है मुझे बहुत लोग मुझे जानेंगे ये वो बहुत ट्राई करते हैं वो पीक पर वो लोग पहुंचते हैं उसके बाद उन लोगों को मास्क पहन के निकलना होता है ताकि मुझे ना कोई पहचाने ये मुझे खुद नहीं पता तो मैं
Why do they do this?
Yes, why would anybody do that? तो मैं ये नहीं करती मुझे जितना अगर दो लोग भी जानते हैं मैं खुशी उन लोगों के साथ सेल्फीज लेती हूँ अगर वो आते हैं सेल्फीज लेने बात करनी मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ मुझे बिल्कुल मास्क पहन के घर से नहीं निकलना है मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे ऐसे जल्दी नहीं इफ आई एम बीइंग पैक्ड अगर कोई है मुझे कैप्चर करना चाह रहा है मैं बकायदा पोज करूँ मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता है लोग ऐसे क्यों
Like people are still hypocrite about like you know choosing something when it comes to choosing your career or like fortune or lifestyle.
I don't know about others. I think that doesn't work on me. Because I have always lived my life on my own terms. And I have always wanted to be an actor since I was in my mother's womb. मैं हमेशा ये लाइन बोलती हूँ हमेशा क्योंकि सच में मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं जब मतलब अनबॉर्न थी तब से मुझे एक्टर बनना था मतलब एक्टर तो तब मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था एक्टर क्या होता है हीरोइन बनना था तो ये मेरे ऊपर तो नहीं होगा.
What's one dirty or unspoken rule of film industry that you wish every newcomer knew before walking in?
डर्टी मुझे नहीं पता, बट हाँ एक चीज़ जो सच में मैंने सीखा और बहुत दिल टूटा है मेरा उसके बाद सीखा है, क्योंकि मैंने जब आपको बोला ना कि मैं बहुत सबको अपना दोस्त मानती थी, तो बस यही चीज़ मुझे नहीं पता था कि not everyone is here for making friends. So बस सबको ये पता चल जाए कि you are here to work, not to make friends, and सब आपके दोस्ती डिजर्व भी नहीं करते, राइट? तो ये अगर आप लाइक यहाँ से क्लियर हो तो आई थिंक यू आर गुड टू गो.
Do you feel that the Gen Z entering this entertainment industry has easier access, or like they do not need to think anything?
Much easier.
How can you compare it to your generation?
Comparison, तो I don't think I'll compare, but it's like ये जो like people have started casting, from reels, so that is there. तो इन लोगों के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा easy access मुझे लगता है. हम लोगों के पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
What are your thoughts about these after parties of any promotional or any release of a film or serial? Like, do you think people meet and it's a happy meetup, or it's just a pretentious meetup?
No, it's obviously a happy meetup. It's all on you. Whatever you are, whoever you are, like whatever you want in your life, you have to be that much clear up here. तो आपको जो चाहिए, आपको उस हिसाब से वही रास्ता आपको चुनना है. आपको अगर नहीं पसंद, आपको अगर if you know how to carry yourself well, तब आप जाओ. आपको पता है limitations क्या है. अगर आपको नहीं पता, आप बहक जाते हो, आप मत जाओ. आप कोई भी पार्टीज में मत जाओ. आफ्टर पार्टीज बोल के कुछ अलग डर्टी ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आपको अगर खुद को संभालना आता है, आप कहीं पे भी खुद को संभाल लेंगे. अगर नहीं आता है, आप घर बैठे हो.
So, what do you think? Like, how are people treated according to their roles? Like the main lead and the side
Characters.
roles. Yeah, side role characters.
मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखा.
Like, are they
I have
equally
always-
treated?
Yeah, almost.
And do you think, like, see, efforts तो दोनों को ही same देना पड़ता है,
बहुत
right?
ज़्यादा
So, do you think payroll should be also same for them? Just because you are a lead actor and just because he is a side role वाला?
See, it's like मैं तो कास्टिंग तो नहीं करती हूँ, तो इस बारे में मुझे I think
Have you ever been paid like fairly according to your
Yeah.
always?
Not always, eventually. Yeah.
We also see the red carpet and these award shows where like actor who is being awarded or just walking the red carpet. So like what's the hidden price that you think these actors pay like for their success?
They must have paid the organizer. Next question, sorry.
So my last question will be like, if you want to change one thing about the Tollywood industry and Bollywood industry, what it would be?
Why would I do that? I'm not supposed to do that. Why would I change
Like
anything?
any one thing. Definitely, there are a lot of things that people want. Like,
मैंने कास्टिंग काउच फेस नहीं किया है. जो लोग करते, जो लोग they are also coming out and like saying something about it. तो a lot of stuff, Me Too हो रहा है, ये वो हो गया. जिन लोगों ने फेस किया है, जो लोग फेस करते हैं, उन लोगों को फेस नहीं करना चाहिए. तो I really don't have any idea if there is actually something like truly called casting couch. अगर कुछ है, नहीं होना चाहिए.
so we both are Virgos and we
Yeah.
both are September born.
Yes.
So I would ask you like,
Tell them the dates, no?
yeah, I'm a 15th September born.
I'm 2nd September.
Okay, so we might have similarities between us. Okay.
Do we?
Yeah.
What do you think?
You are from the entertainment industry. I as well.
Same.
So yeah. So tell me something like what being a Virgo can be, which not the others can.
Virgos के बारे में मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज पता है. Virgos
We Virgos are very emotional.
very emotional and the horniest people on earth. Miss Brigitte.
So it was really good to have you, Madhurima.
Same here, same
We
here.
are
Thank you very
almost done with the podcast. So I would really request my followers and my subscribers to like, comment, and let us know your feedback as well. And let us also know whom do you want for the next podcast. And Madhurima, would you like to say something for our viewers?
I can't thank you enough. I'm really, really happy to be
So
here.
keep loving us. That's the
That's
main thing. Keep loving us.
That's much
Yeah.
needed. Seriously.